We have here the Ultimate Construction Site book by Anne-Sophie Baumann, Didier Bali Sevic, with more than 60 lift flaps, pop-ups, pull tabs, and more. So this is under 12. So this is a very big book. It's not that my hand is just small that became big, but to prove to you how big this one is, let's measure in centimeter. Okay, from 0, 33 centimeter. Okay, so that's big. That's how big this one is. So let's check. So what can you explore from this book? So here we have the lift the flap. So many information for each flap aside from the information provided outside the flaps. Then for this one, look. Oh, it's moving. Oh, push and pull. So then next one for this side, we have again lift the flap. And then, oh, this one is nice. Hold out. And then another flap in a flap. Oh, another flap, small flap here. So cute. Your child will really get busy with this one. And then we have another flap, fold out, flap and fold out because it's becoming longer, bigger. And then, what else do we have here? What about this one? Oh, this one is, what is this one? This cable screen is operated by remote control. And so, how to maximize the use of this one? It's connected to this one. Okay. What else do we have here? I think something should be moving here because this one is a pre-loved book when I got this one. And then we have on this side, what are these? The third layer is asphalt. Oh, they will really learn something from this one. Look, we will move this one. Oh, they can imagine and reenact. This is the asphalt. So they will know what an asphalt is. And then another, the dump truck pours a layer of gravel onto the ground. This second layer is gravel. So what else do we have here? There's a flap again. And then mostly it's push and pull, no? And then what about this one? This one, get the flap. You know, this one is actually still new. That's why I haven't really explored this one yet. But as you can see, as you move this page, let me show you. The car is moving. Oh, this car, look, this car. Oh, then, oh, look, did you see that? It's moving backward. So that's how it is. Then we have this one. It's very big. Oh, my camera will not be able to show you all, but it's like this. And then we have here also, you will turn the wheel. Then we have, what else do we have here? On this side, we have some more information about building a subway. Oh, this is the function. And then lift the flap again. This is the lift. No, it's not a lift the flap, but it's going up and down. Let me show you. It's like this. Push and pull. So the motor skill of your child will really be. It's going down here. Oh, Isn't it nice? Let me show you again. Oh, it's going back upward, then downward. Yee! You will enjoy this one, especially boys. But even girls will love this for sure. Next one we have building bridges. So, all the things you can do in the construction site. So we have here lift the flap again. As mentioned, we have 60, right? What's this? Okay. Be able to see that. Okay, let me show you again closer. Again. Then lift the flap. Okay, what else do we have here? Another lift the flap. And for this one, let me show you. You were able to see that. Okay, again. And it's actually the hydraulic pump. Then another lift the flap. The lift the flaps here are actually sturdy, not thick, but still it will not get saggy immediately. Okay, and then this one. Okay. Then I'm getting busy with this kind of book, huh? So it's really filled with so many effects and also for this one, building an airplane. Oh my, so advanced again. Ayan, weird. Then this one, the lift the flap. I love this part. Look, is it visible? Oh, see, it's really informative, educational, plus interactive. Then another lift the flap. Then the last part is building a ship. So to build a ship, to maximize this one. Let me check. And this one is okay. For this one, let me show you again. It's moving up and down. Then we have here lift the flap. And then another lift the flap. So many lift the flap. As mentioned, 60, no? 60. And then here also. So aside from this side, we have another here. With some information inside also. And then we also have this part plus this part too. Oh gosh, this is not the last one. I thought that's the last one. It's really my first time to really explore this book. This time I changed the position of the book because it's really heavy and the layout is portrait, so you have to do this. Okay, this time building a traveling circus tent. Oh, so it's also done at the construction. So let's see what can this one do. So this one is pull. You will pull this one just like this one. Pull this like that. You see that? Then return. Then this one, pull it up. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, move it slowly. Seals and their trainers. Look at the water. It seems like it's really moving. It's really pouring. You see that? I enjoy this one. Okay, next one, this part. Lift the flap again. For this one too, mini lift the flap. Just a small flaps, and then flip this one. There's another flap. What else do we have here? Here. Another lip the flap. Tiger. So there are so many things your child can learn from this book. Aside from information about construction, there are some animals. And then this part, okay, the truck trailers are filled with equipment. Oh, equipment. And then for this one, there's some more. Oh my god, it's so nice. Wait. Look, look at this one. Wait. Wait. Oh, you pull this one and it will be like this. Again. It's really a gigantic book. Then, what's inside? So we have here the tickets. The tent can't be raised any higher. Okay, so that's how you can maximize this one. You should really know where the flaps are located. And then, you can really learn so many things from this book. Very informative, really. So I enjoyed it, but at the same time, I got so tired because of the so many flaps. Once again, under twirl. This one under twirl. More than 60. Let's see. More than 60 flaps. Lift the flaps, push up, pop ups, sorry, pull tabs, and more. It doesn't lie. There are really so many pull the tab and all inside this book. So again, the ultimate construction site book.